Inshanku Yankopon, any Obibia or share Emadek TV. Yadamasese, Mokoswana, we share Emadek TV, now subscribe to your YouTube channel. Na Jumedi ya Yuguswa ya Debremo concerning Akiti Mpenisem Semiano. Mokoso na mo share na mo like na mo comment na mo fa eniyema bi efrim baby e keka asem ni free ye ni baby ye adwuru na ni hina no obi bia etie wa asopam nene mensemre mensa ka audio bi concerning Akiti Mpenisem ne direct uncle aye ne maame enua pa maame kro papa kro ne maame nua pa no maame kro papa kro ono so de nsem bia beto monten na mepese ye bekwa kotie se ansem no na yekoba niemwo no maka etumi enkotie bra.
Yeah, good evening. Akiti's fan. This is Akiti's uncle. I'm Solomon Agame, Prosper Yaba, Matilda's immediate senior brother direct. And it has come to our attention that Anthony, our brother, is trying to tarnish the image of the Agame's family. In fact, my tree is not good, so I prefer saying this in English so that at least I know English is one of our second language too. So if Anthony should go on social media to say our dad is suffering from prostate and needs money for operation or surgery, it's a very big lie. A very big lie. Why am I saying this? Yes, our dad was suffering from prostate, but has recovered fully. And myself, my senior brother Stanley, our sister Matilda, and even our late sister Monica are people that are well-to-do. We are not suffering. I am a head teacher. My senior brother Stanley is also a teacher teaching at Congo Senior High School. Matilda is also a business lady. And let me tell you, we don't lack. We don't lack. Dad won't be able to send our dad for a surgery. But he Anthony is someone that is just like that. Even the family, he is just the odd one out. He doesn't want to listen to advice. He does things on his own. Some of us, he doesn't even talk to us, just for no cause. So this issue of Akete and ABU, when those issues were on social media and they wanted to change and he was jumping into it, I even advised my sister. But who knows? We thought it was going to be a different thing. He also lied that he informed us before sending in the money. And that's also a lie. I am the one who picks my dad's salary. And we did power of attorney. So every month I goes there to pick money for him. He's a pensioner. And just imagine, he's also a worker, has gone on pension, and he's in the house also enjoying his pension money. And you think all this, how much is the money that you think we need for his surgery? If not somebody who wants to just break family. So it was this Monday, I went to pick his salary, and I got there, realized that there was an additional 5,460 Ghana cedis. So I only picked what my dad's always pick. And when I got back, I informed that was it. But earlier on, it was like he called my dad and then asked him that he wants his account number. He wants to send him something. So when we got to the house, my dad told me that was what he said. Then I was surprised. Why would he be asking for your account number? If he's to send you money, there's Momo. Did he tell you why he wanted the account number? That no. He said he wants to send him a gift. And I think that is just the gift he has done. And he has made a U-turn to do to screenshots or just to snap the receipts, post them on social media, trying to tarnish our family. But we know it's God who fights for everybody. God knows why things are happening like this. Our fear is a little girl, an innocent girl like Akete, that is trying to at least unearth what God has given her, and people are trying to tarnish her image. We only pray that these things shouldn't happen. And for the fans and the family on this platform, I entreat that yes, every little support that you've been giving to Akete, and even have that mind to continue helping Akete, you should continue doing that. No matter what the situation is, our dear sisters and brothers that are outside Ghana helping this little girl, receiving insults here and there just because of they just want to help someone also unearth her talent. God bless all of you, and may you not lack. Whatever you spend, you'll get that in 1,000 folds. This is from the family. You know, with the EBU issues, none of us even came in. But we think it is proper that we should let the world know what is really happening. Seriously, we are so devastated. We are I don't know the kind of word to use. We are just, the guy has made us so sad that we little did we even know he could go this kind of length to do that. But we pray God will reward everybody, whatever we do on earth one day. Judgment awaits us. So once again, please, let's stay calm. Let's support this little girl and do the needful. Whatever Anthony is trying to do is greed. And you know, when greed sets in, a lot of things happens. He is a teacher. He has left his job in Upper West and he's in Kumasi doing this. He doesn't know he's going to go against him, because in the teaching field, if you vacate post for 10 consecutive days, or you've absent yourself 10 consecutive days, it means that you've vacated your post. He doesn't want to concentrate on his future and he's looking for quick money. It's God that is there. And we are so careful because of his mother and the father, our uncle. We are blood. And we know that by God's grace, all this thing will settle. Please, the hearsay is something that is also destroying a whole lot. When we hear something, let's try to investigate and know it proper. Like this issue, I'm happy it has come to public domain, and I'm also responding that my dad is old, he's aged, he's a pensioner, he takes his salary every month, he's okay, and that 5,646 cannot do him anything. They can't. And we that are even at home here are not also begging. We are only praying for Akiti to move further. And that's almost the time when we see Akiti's comedy, we subscribe, we even share to our friends. And we are proud that that is our niece and she's doing well. So once again, thank you very much. I think those who understand the tree will interpret it well. Will interpret it well for you. Once again, I'm Solomon, Matilda's senior brother, and have a wonderful day. But I know definitely those of you who would want to ask questions or for clarifications, you can equally private chat me and I'll give you details. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye. Okay. Good afternoon again. This is Solomon again, Akete's uncle. It's like my voice was down, and you have to pardon me because of what we've just heard. I'm so surprised to realize that our brother Antonio will go that length, trying to just tarnish the image of this young girl, Akete, our niece, and even the family. I'm so surprised. As I was saying, I'm a journalist here in Upper East Region, and equally a teacher like him, but I'm a head teacher. I even said it on the first recording. But we are distancing ourselves from whatever Anthony is doing. We don't even support whatever he's doing. most of the times we advise him, don't do this. Yet we don't know what his plans are. We don't know what we have also done. This poor girl has done wrong or gone wrong to warrant the image tainting. Seriously, I even said I'm short of words. Just don't know what to say. But I am saying it once again that the money that Anthony sent was sent, and my dad was not even aware of it. It was just like a prank, like what he has been doing now, just to spoil the name of the family and also our father, his uncle. So we're saying that everything he's saying or whatever he has put there was just a plan. He just had that plan to also, I don't know whether it's to retaliation or whatever, but I don't know who has also wronged him that he wants to retaliate. And the people that are helping Akete, that he is not even attacking. Madam Stella, God bless you. And any other person, like I said, God bless all of you. Please, you know, Satan comes in the night like a thief to destroy, to kill, to nail, and to do whatever. And that is what he's doing. But I know one day the light will fall on him and you know what he's doing is wrong. We don't know what came over him and he's doing that. Because when it started, things were moving on well. And those that were sponsoring were even sponsoring. But they came to a point you want to exit. Yes, if you're exiting and there is an agreement that then you exit, leaving the girls' channel, then that's a problem. Then it has not come to a point that you have to spoil or insult or destroy any other person that needs or wants the girls' progress. And I know Madam Stella has never called any of us. She has never called, and she has. I don't have her number. She's not also having my number. Likewise, my senior brother. So what would she call us? And what would she even want from us? Would she pay her? Somebody who's using her own money to sponsor this girl? I don't know what she's getting. Using her own resources, risking her own, just because she's somebody who loves Akiti, and I want Akiti to also see the light of time. That's what I'm saying, and I'm repeating it. God judges us all, and God will keep us safe. So fans of Akiti, be proud of yourself. And I know one day this girl will grow up to know what is really happening. She's just still innocent. So innocent. But you know, as things are unearthing, she will get to realize it one day. She will read the stories because some of them are being archived. She'll definitely get them and know what really went during her childhood time when she was even coming up as a comedian. But we just pray Akiti go high more than this time. You know, there's one thing that if you try destroying somebody, if you try to destroy somebody by pulling such a person's leg, as you are pulling the person's leg, you yourself, you are not standing straight. You watch yourself, you are also bending down, you are also falling. But that leg that is being pulled is a step at the right direction and not a fall. And Akiti is going to rise. And we are invoking the spirits of our ancestors in Balongo here upon Akiti, and whosoever showers her with resources to prosper, that they will guide them in whatever they do. And one day, all the sweats, all the insults you are taking will turn to sweetness. They'll turn to joy. They'll turn to blessings. May the land of Balongo bless everybody. May our ancestors bless everybody. May God bless everybody. And this should be the last thing we should hear Akete this, Akete that, Akete and this manager has done this, Akete and this manager has done that. Oh gosh, it's too much. It's too much. Thanks very much.
Audio no na yakwa akotu ya ba na Akiti Mpenisem ne uncle, direct uncle. Pa no. And I think say Akiti Mpenisem mo papa. That's papa you ka say wo mo no. I think say wo mo uncle as den ene Tony no papa. Na me question person biza baba say etemra nsem no sate say bobo ba na eye biu ne Akiti mo sensem no wante ana wante na wotumi nya biu number emfre no ana it is senior saa time no na onim oya we a obeka kire Akiti maame mo se mentie ne Tony eken na samre excuse me samre no mutumi tena ase eti ase ma Tony etume convince abusunya no a omo so gitum emma Tony ye ne omo ye say now it was good say they will let the world know what is going on. And ampa no so the we are seeing nyina yatumi ayde ebehunu ne ekọ so ampa. And the ekọ so ehun susu so na yesi ahabobo aba na bedu because be you ne Akiti nsemi be you babonti be breaking news no on 28 February. 28 February and ye wo de ye was September yendru ba bia o. Yendru ba bia esuyenhwe ensem ni free be you inside ebedi mu ho no mo hu se ne Tony yesi penyina otena fie ma your friends say enkwala ewe nanka no yibu nanka wefo a oka ho eti papa Mr. Dijeben a wo odi am refidi se ne atie bia no this is not even necessary anymore. We are no more even interested in any explanation or whatever that you say. We are not even interested anymore. The most important thing is that, and I say what I can tell you is when the issue of BU and Akiti Mpenisem started popping up, you could have come in to prevent all this. Now it was saying anka ubenya BU number no afre no. Now one na kasa. Na ne o se wo ye bia no wa ye. Enti asie bia ne bibia metumi da tutu ye bia no ma ye montumi anye sa. You knew it said Tony among the family no, he's the odd person. Yet you guys went ahead because Tony akwala whatever decision amu be taking no anka Tony eni ho kwan say obeye sa nie ma na ma Akiti Mpenisem. But you went ahead. You allowed him because he was able to convince you guys that at the end of the month he can make 7 times the money BU was given to Akiti Mpenisem. This is the outcome. This is the outcome. Yadama say na beba be video bi afa nsem bi ho any comment bi ankofo bi e dey mame. And look, there's a great love between me and BU. I love him so much and the guy loves me. If you go to BU's Facebook channel and answer Facebook page, the number that is there now is 05519737170. It is my contact. And do you think, say, BU will just put my contact there? It is the relationship that we have. And so whatever that I have said, no, I am not saying that to support anyone against BU. Never. I know BU and I know the issue. I know the ins and outs. How the issue started between BU and Akiti Mpenisem. And maybe be videos at their first asem now. I'm a man from say, I love my brother and I always love him. Madam I say, Nyamisha Mose Mokoso na Moshe Emadek TV. And the BU comedy. Nyamisha. Bye.